3. Does America have an established religion? It's increasingly apparent that the United States has an established religion which uses tax funds to promote itself and so gain converts. This religion is humanism. Humanism has full possession of the public or state schools of the United States, and these tax-supported institutions are teaching the religion of humanism to the children in their charge. In some states, state boards of education have even attempted to compel Christian schools to use state textbooks which teach humanism. Whether he likes it or not, the American taxpayer is paying for the support and propagation of humanism when he is taxed for education. All the states and federal welfare agencies are also operated on humanistic premises and are dominated by humanists. Their enormous tax-funded budgets promote plans for the rehabilitation or salvation of people in terms of a humanistic plan of salvation. Few things in history have been more dismal failures than our welfarism, but this does not discourage fanatical humanists. They keep demanding more money to make even more damaging failures. All of this, however, is very damaging to you also. The greater parts of your tax dollar goes for education and welfare. This means that, whether you like it or not, you are paying out several tithes each year to finance a humanistic plan of salvation. The cost to you is financially great, but it is even greater in terms of the moral damage done to you and to our country by humanism. Ideas do have consequences. False doctrines lead to false conclusions and to a false and destructive way of life. Today, besides dominating our state schools and our welfare programs, humanism dominates our foreign policy, our bureaucracies, many of our courts, the IRS, and more. Humanism finances its plan of salvation at the taxpayer's expense, and it resents the slightest attempts by Christians to alter the present course of affairs. We do have an established religion, and its name is humanism. Is this what you want? You are paying for it, like it or not, and you will continue to do so until you decide to change things.